In the year 2000, to celebrate the dawn of the new millennium, the Clay Mathematics Institute announced an unprecedented challenge from Paris, paying tribute to the famous list of problems that the mathematician David Hilbert had presented exactly a century earlier. The institution selected 7 of the most profound and elusive mysteries in mathematics and offered a reward of $1 million for the rigorous theoretical resolution of each one, seeking to stimulate scientific progress on a global scale. The first problem addressed on the list is P versus NP, which asks whether all computational problems whose answers are easy to verify are also easy and quick to solve from scratch by a computer. Next, we have the Hodge conjecture, which attempts to explain how certain hugely complex geometric shapes and spaces can be understood simply as the union of much more elementary geometric pieces. The third enigma is the Poincare conjecture, which basically asks whether any three-dimensional object that has no holes running through it can be transformed or moulded into a perfect sphere, all without breaking the object at any point. Fourth place is occupied by the famous Riemann hypothesis, a problem that obsesses researchers because it seeks to find the exact hidden pattern governing the distribution of prime numbers across infinity. The fifth is the Yang-Mills theory and the mass gap, where the objective is to find the perfect mathematical backing to explain why subatomic particles have mass and how elementary forces operate within atoms. The sixth challenge involves the Navier-Stokes equations, seeking to theoretically guarantee that the formulas used to predict the behavior of fluids, such as sea waves or wind currents, never fail or produce physically impossible results. Finally, the Birch and Swinnerton-Dyer conjecture attempts to find a systematic method to determine how many exact whole number and fractional solutions certain types of curves have. Regarding the status of each of these 7 monumental challenges today, 6 of them remain completely open, keeping the mystery and the institution's $1 million prize alive. The unknowns surrounding P versus NP, Hodge, Riemann, Yang-Mills, Navier-Stokes and Birch and Swinnerton-Dyer continue to frustrate modern researchers and have no proven solution. The only closed case on the list is the Poincare conjecture, which was brilliantly solved by the Russian mathematician Grigory Perelman in the early 2000s, a feat that went down in history not only for its immense genius, but also because the researcher decided to reject the $1 million prize and withdraw from the academic world. Were you aware of the existence of this list of $1 million riddles that keep the brightest minds of our time on tenterhooks? Perhaps the next genius to crack one of these 6 outstanding mysteries and claim the reward is watching this video right now. So I ask you, do you accept the challenge of trying to solve one of them? If you are passionate about these mysteries, I invite you to keep exploring my channel. This is HistArMat, a channel about history, art and mathematics.